Hi guys, in front of me is phone 1 and let me show you how to block a number on this phone. First of all, you have to open your phone dialer, then switch to contacts if you are not in this panel and mark more icon. Now click on settings and go to blocked numbers. And now you can either block all unknown colors by using this icon, so just tap on the switcher and once it is active, all unknown colors would be blocked. Then you can add some number manually, so just click on add a number and then enter it here, tap on block, and that's it. Whenever you wish to remove the blockade, just click on cross icon. And also you can block some particular contact of yours. To do it, just mark the contact, click on more and select block numbers. And that's it. Then obviously if you would like to remove the blockade, tap on more and click on unblock numbers and just confirm it. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.